Hi, this is Michael Canellis. We're at Pi World Gothenburg, and we're speaking to some of the speakers, developers, and partners that really make this conference the big deal that it is. And today we're talking to Paul Wagner-Nielsen from Leo Pharma. Paul, tell us about Leo.
Well, Leo is a European pharmaceutical company. Leo Pharma does primarily within the dermatology area, that is for skin diseases and so on. We have 5 factories throughout Europe, and we bought a 6th one from Bayer in Italy, and we have a huge digitalization program running now, and Pi is one of the cornerstones there.
How difficult is it to go from one factory where actually you might build up a pilot or see how things run to take it to the others?
Well, it's a little difficult because they have different cultures, all the factories, but we try to make an approach where we say Pi is a central system. We have one server, they are so strong today, we think we can run with one server in Europe, so we will make a central approach, and that means also that we can streamline it more, make it cheaper, so the sites will not be burdened with qualification work and everything. We will just come centrally and do it, but they will use it, of course.
Now, do you have a goal? Like, how long would it take to actually roll out?
Actually, we are building the infrastructure now. I was a little surprised how big infrastructure, how much it cost, you know. But we're building that now, and then we will have our vendor TQS in to install the base. So we have a qualified base with all the Pi servers and everything, but no data in. And then we will go out like with a harvester and pick up signals from all the machines in different factories. It will take, I guess we will end beginning 21. So, and it's fast.
So tell us about your talk as well.
Well, I think it's a tremendous opportunity to come here, and I was talking very much about the approach to do it, because there's so many ways we can meet bumps on the road. So I was focusing very much on the important things, not only what to do, but what not to do. You know, in pharma business, we have to have the best there. It's licensed to operate to have this thing there. Pi is very good, and the newer versions here are extremely fast. And what I say also is that the AF-EF structure, that is this meta layer on top, it's brilliant to make this warehouse where we can provide production data for all other systems and people in the company. The AF-EF is really a revolution, I would say. I am a data warehouse man, and I like that very much. The combination of the meta layer in AF-EF and then the historian database, it's brilliant.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.